This is Uping stock trend prediction. So in this video, I will talk about the topic about the best time to buy or to sell a stock. So let's pick a common or popular stock like a ZM Zoom. So this is a Zoom's real-time stock data, and you can see in the past few days, the Zoom's stock price is keep on decreasing, just from overall point of view. So you can see this kind of stock price. This is a 60 minutes chart. Let's first change it to a weekly chart. So this is a weekly chart for Zoom, and this is a daily chart for Zoom. So that means each vertical line or each bar represents a daily chart if you select the time frame of a daily, so daily chart. So if you select the weekly chart for the time frame, so that means each vertical line is a real-time stock data in 1 week. So this is the last week's data. So today is Saturday, August 21st. So this one basically is the last week, and this is the week before last week. So this vertical line is for daily chart. That's August 20th, and this is August 19th. So you can see this kind of charts based on the prediction model, and this is the minimum value or minimum trend lines or the support trend lines, and the closing price is the right tick closing price is dropped a little bit below the minimum trend lines. And for this kind of dot, this special dot, that's predicted another kind of a special maximum value. So you see this stock price increase to this maximum value, and it is just can't increase anymore, and it's also be clamped by this kind of maximum value prediction. So you can see this kind of stock price fluctuations are tracked and also predicted by this kind of trend lines very well, enclosed in this kind of trend lines. So for this Zoom, for this stock, right now, the weekly chart, the stock price already dropped below the first defense of the resistance support trend lines, and also it tries to reach to the another level of the trend line, so minimum value trend line. So basically in this kind of a region is a kind of maximum value region, the low price region. So in this kind of a region, and if I purchase this kind of stock at this time or this price region, it's relatively be safe or relatively have a higher success rate to earn money, because it has more room to increase the price. So this right now the closing price for this daily chart, closing price is a little bit above this kind of a stock trend, above this the minimum value trend lines. So that means it may still have or maybe like one or more couple of days, it may still trying to decrease the value. Generally, let's just check the monthly plots again. So monthly chart, you see this closing price, that's this month's data, because right now it's August 21st. So that means August the month, this is not ended yet. So that means this vertical line, this bar is not completed yet. So but right now at this time of August, right now the stock price, that's a closing price, is here. It's already reaches the minimum value of the trend line, so it's kind of reaches to the low price region. So based on the daily chart, it may have a little bit kind of a little bit more time to drop it to this kind of minimum value trend lines, but generally it's already reaches the low price region. So generally this is a relatively a good time to buy this stock. So depends on if you are doing the day trade or if you want to invest the stock maybe like in a short term or long term. So depends. So you may just keep on watching this very closely, and then you may decide that if you wanted to take this opportunity to buy this stock. So basically, you know, we know the stock price is always keep on changing. So it's like just the wave in the ocean. It's keep on changing, and so we need to just pay more attention to the trend of the stock price changes. So so for this kind of zooms, because right now it's still in this kind of a downtrend, the trend. So so if I buy this stock, I will probably not hold it for a long time. So I will just pay more attention, pay more closely to the changes or the fluctuation of the stock price. Maybe just doing some kind of a day trade or the keep it for a relatively short time currently. So for example, for this monthly chart, if you check this price, it's 340, for example, 340, and this price is 407. So 340 goes to the 403. That's about $70 difference. $60 difference or something like that. So it's a relatively big changes in 1 month. So depends on how you want to do the investment. So it depends on you if you wanted to hold it for just 1 day or hold it for 1 week or 1 month, or depends on. So that will also corresponding to different level of profits or risk. So if you are interested in this kind of analysis, so you can just subscribe the Uping stock trend prediction channel, or watch more related videos by searching the keywords of Uping stock trend prediction. So in YouTube. Thanks for watching.